Hi, I'm Geneva Long, CEO of Bowlus, and today I'm going to show you our key floor plan differences between the Rivet and the Endless Highways models. We're going to get started with the Rivet, and then we'll go inside the Endless Highways and show how the floor plan is different. Of course, there's many other features that differ. Feel free to jump in on our walkthrough videos for a full walkthrough on that, but today we're just going to focus on floor plan. All right, let's get started. So I'm stepping into the Rivet right now. And the Bowlus floor plans are always going to be really similar because we have that fantastic trademark shape of the door on the front. And so that means that we have the bedroom in the back and the tail, then the bathroom, then the living room, and then the kitchen. So all of our floor plans are going to follow this very similar layout. And this is the best layout, we believe. It allows you to have a separate bedroom in the back that's separated from any of those people who might be sleeping. All of our Bowlus models sleep four, sleeping in the living room, as well as if one partner gets up before the other. It also allows us to have a very large bathroom in all of our models, which is really important to us. And that's really the key floor plan difference in size between the Rivet and between the Endless Highways is the size of the bathroom. That's where the real differences in the actual floor plan take place. So let's head straight back there, walking through the living room here and into the bathroom. Now, all of our Bowlus bathrooms are going to open the same way. So we've got this door that's going to swing and close off the bathroom from the bedroom. And then I'm going to turn around and I'm going to have this door, which closes off the living room from the bathroom. So now I'm in the Rivet bathroom. And one of the key differences between this and the Endless Highways is it's just a little bit more compressed. And so the toilet area is a little bit more compressed, as is the sink, as is the shower, but our same basic format is the same, which is, we do have that separate toilet area. So you don't have a wet bathroom. So you got the toilet on that side, emergency exit. And then over here you have your vanity, medicine cabinet, and there is storage behind here as well. You still have all of your panels in the same place, just slightly more compressed again. And you'll notice it most because we have one light in the Rivet and we have two in the Endless Highways. So you'll be able to kind of spatially see that difference. And then you've got countertops. And then because you have less storage in the Rivet compared to the Endless Highways, because you don't have the yours and mine closets, which I'll show you in the Endless Highways, we have this storage down below for some more toiletries. And then in the shower, again, really beautiful separate shower. I'm seated right now, but lots of room in that shower. So I'll just show you my knees again. So you'll see lots of room, about two pieces of wood to the end from where my feet are when I'm sitting. And if I stick out my feet, I can, just tap the wall just to give you some perspective on that. And then inside the shower of the Rivet, we also have this clothes hanging bar. And again, that's because we don't have the additional yours and mine closets in here. And if you want to see more of a demo, I'm doing this with my left hand while filming. So, that actually went better than I thought it would. So you have that clothes hanging bar inside the Rivet in here. And so that summarizes that bathroom inside the Rivet. In terms of the bedroom, our bedroom floor plan in the Rivet is either available in a king like we have set up right now or in two twins. It's not available to be able to convert from one to the other. So you would decide on that configuration upon ordering. And then if you select the king configuration, you do have a little bit of additional storage under the bed as well. And then on the Endless Highways, you would have the yours and mine closets right here. So like I said, those aren't here. But that gives you the summary of the bathroom area. Still really big, still really expansive. You still have that separate bedroom in the Rivet. Lots of storage down below as well. So you still have all of those 5 drawers below. lots of kitchen storage. And now we're going to jump into the Endless Highways to show you that floor plan. And now I'm at the Endless Highways 95th Anniversary Edition. So same basic configuration as before. I've got the bedroom in the back, bathroom, living room, and then kitchen. And I'll walk to that area where the biggest differences happen in floor plan, which is that bathroom closet area. So in the Endless Highways, you have the yours and mine closets on either side. And I'll give you a quick peek of those. Just spin around here. So you've got full length mirror here, storage up below, clothes hanging bar, and it's really long, so dresses, coats, all of that fit really well. And then shoe storage down below. I'll close the one up on that side, open the one up on this side. So more storage up above, clothes hanging bar, same setup as the one on the other side. And then this is our sofa / outdoor table. You can also fit the suitcase style solar panels in there. Same length, same shoe storage down below. And then the door system here is going to work the same way. So I'm going to open the door between the bathroom and the bedroom, and then I'll spin around and open off the door between the living room and the bathroom. And so this bathroom is just incredibly large, larger than the Rivet. So we started with the toilet area in the Rivet, so we'll start there again. Toilet area is slightly larger. You do have that storage behind the toilet, which you don't in the Rivet because you have the emergency exit there. Different lighting style as well. And then over in the vanity, you'll notice that it is larger. It has those two overhead lights there, larger vanity, and also wider side to side. Don't have the storage underneath the air conditioner intake because you have more storage in that medicine cabinet. And then now I'm sitting down in the shower, and one of the key differences in the Endless Highways is that we have the emergency exit in the shower area. So that allows you to put the outdoor shower outdoors. And so in the Rivet, I think we had 2 slats of wood from the end of my toes to the wall, and here we have 5. And obviously my feet can't touch the wall. So we have a larger shower in the Endless Highways. And like I said, I could also stand in here, but I'm just showing you the size with my feet. And then over here, you can also see the floor space. So, if I would say that the Rivet can fit 1 inside the bathroom area, and the Endless Highways works for 2 in the bathroom area if someone's showering and someone else is at the sink area. It's more than enough room for that. The Rivet is more compressed. It's a better fit for 1 person in the bathroom area. And then on to the bed. I do have the king bed set up right now in this model, but it is convertible. So you depending on who you're traveling with or depending on how you like to travel, can set it up in either the twin or king configuration before you start your trip. And so you have that flexibility to decide how you want to travel versus with the Rivet. You do need to decide upon your order which bed configuration that you would want. So those are the key differences in floor plan. And if you have any other questions or would like to review all of our models, please visit us on our website where you can book an appointment, virtual or in person, in our California showroom with our sales team. And they'll be able to walk you through these differences and help you decide which Bowlus is best for you. Thank you so much, and we look forward to hearing from you.